Welcome to my first YouTube video on my new channel, Health and Healing. So I wanted to make this YouTube channel simply to inform people about how important certain nutrients and certain foods are when you're working out. So there'll be a health side, workout side. I'll definitely have calisthenic videos where I'll be posting different workouts I do, posting meals I make, how to make them, posting different things on why certain foods I eat are important, why I eat them, how often I eat them. And then also I'll be having guests on my YouTube channel where I sit down people and ask them certain questions, interview them, and kind of talk about their journey and basically help people heal, get away from the sugar, get away from the toxic mindset that working out is hard and dieting is hard, because dieting should always be looked at as a long-term thing. It should never be looked at as a short-term 6-month thing. Yes, it is technically a lifestyle. I don't like to think that it's kind of a hardcore mindset for some people to get into. So it's something that you start slowly in increments and you work your way up to becoming, basically stop being addicted to the bad and start getting addicted to the good. So like I said, this channel is called Health and Healing. My name is Brian Hansen, and I'm just so excited to start this journey with all of you. It won't be perfect. It won't be, professional. As the channel progresses, I will have people help me make things a bit more professional with video editors who can help me edit videos a bit better, or I myself might be able to start learning how to edit videos a little bit better. This video I'm just uploading raw and straight, no cuts, no edits. So like I said, this is just a small explanation of what you can expect from this channel, and I just thank you guys for being here. If you're watching this video right now, just know that the universe is working in your life right now to bring you here, and it is very meant to be. I hope you stick around, I hope you subscribe, and I'm very excited to seeing you guys in the next video. All right.